This is HUAWEI P60 Pro, and today I would like to show how you can confirm the authenticity of this device. Start, you will need to launch settings, then enter the about phone category. From here, go for the status and find the serial number spec. Now take the packaging or the box that your smartphone came in. Here's mine. Let me fix the focus for you real quick. Just a moment, please. So at the sticker on the box, find the SN or serial number spec, and if the serial number that you have over here corresponds with the serial number that you have at your specs, which is absolutely true in my case, that means to you that you are indeed an owner of the original HUAWEI P60 Pro. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.